How to add your Shopify store link to TikTok bio. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Shopify store link to your TikTok bio. It's quick and simple, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you are in your TikTok account, make sure that you are logged into your account. And after that, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. To be able to add a link, your account must be a business account. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you tap on that, tap on Account. Select Switch to Business Account. TikTok will now ask you to pick a category. Choose something that matches your store, like retail, clothing, or e-commerce. Now go back to your profile page and tap Edit Profile. You'll now see an option that says Website. This is where we'll paste our Shopify link. Head over to your Shopify store in your browser. Copy your store's URL. It will look like something like yourstorename.myshopify.com or your custom domain if you set one. Once you copied from your Shopify store, then go back to TikTok, paste the link into the website field, and tap Save. Now head back to your profile to check. Your store link should now appear just below your bio. People will easily find your Shopify's URL just on your profile and can easily visit your store just by one tap. And that's all there is to it. Now, when someone visits your TikTok profile, they'll be able to tap your bio link and head straight to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.